The dental technology has advanced far in recent times, and technological advances have dramatically improved the quality of treatment for patients. From 3D printers and digital impressions and more, there's a myriad of emerging technologies altering the way that dental professionals are working. In this clip, we'll explore a few of the most important advances in technology for dentistry and the ways they benefit the patients. Digital impressions. One of the greatest advances in dentistry is the development in digital impressions. In the past, patients had to bite into the substance in order to form a mold for their mouth. It was long and painful for the patients. Digital impressions can be taken using an extremely small handheld scanner can produce a 3D model of the tooth structure of the patient. The 3D image can be used to make bridges, crowns, and various dental restorations that have astonishing quality and precision. Digital impressions are more efficient than traditional impressions. They are more precise and far more comfortable for patients. Additionally, they enhance the overall experience of patients. In addition to improving patient experience, digital impressions allow greater interaction between dental professionals. Digital images can easily be shared among dentists as well as dental labs. This results in quicker processing times for restorations and more positive outcomes for patients overall. 3D printing. Another significant advancement in dentistry is the introduction for 3D printing. 3D printers can be utilized to make a range of dental prosthetics. This includes bridges, crowns, as well as dental implants. This allows specific, custom-designed restorations that perfectly fit into the mouth of patients. 3D printing is also able to provide the same-day dental restorations. This eliminates the requirement for several appointments and temporary dental restorations. This is time-saving for dental practitioners and patients, as well as helps speed the treatments for dental problems. One of the most significant advantages to 3D printing is its ability to make customized dental implants. The traditional implants involved a lengthy process to create custom crowns and abutments, but now, thanks to 3D printing, every part of a restoration could be made in-house and result in shorter time to treatment and more effective results for patients. CAD/CAM technology. CAD/CAM technology is yet another important improvement in the field of dentistry technology. Computer-aided design, and CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, software lets dentists develop dental restorations that have incredible accuracy. A CAD program is utilized for designing restorations on the basis of scans or digital impressions of the patient's teeth. This model can be transmitted to a CAM system and it will be milled the restoration using an element of the material, for instance, composite resin or ceramic. This procedure is extremely precise and yields the perfect restorations for the mouth of the patient. CAD/CAM technology allows higher levels of customization for dental restorations. Dentists are able to easily alter the dimensions, shape, and color of dental restorations in order to fit the patient's teeth. The result is an appearance that is more natural. Intraoral cameras. Intraoral cameras are an additional important device in today's dental procedures. They are tiny cameras that can be utilized to create high-definition photos of teeth and gums. This provides dentists with clear images of the mouth cavity. Through intraoral cameras, dentists can quickly detect problems such as gum disease, cracks, and fractures on teeth. This allows earlier identification and treatment of dental issues and results in more favorable results for patients. Intraoral cameras are also able to help patients get a better idea of their oral condition. Dentists are able to show patients pictures of their gums and teeth in order to explain any concerns or issues that are troubling them. It helps patients play actively in their oral health care and motivates them to keep excellent oral hygiene routines. Teledentistry. Teledentistry is not a recent concept in the world of dentistry. It can dramatically improve patient care. Teledentistry makes use of modern techniques, including videos and digital images that allow online consultation and treatment for dental issues. This type of technology is particularly useful for those living in rural areas or areas with limited access to services, as they aren't able to access the nearest dentist. Teledentistry allows patients access to skilled dental services at the convenience of their homes, thus saving the time and expense of transportation costs. Teledentistry can also make it simpler. Patients seek out advice or second opinions from experts. When sharing images or reports with other dentists, the patients will receive an accurate examination of their dental condition and be able to make better decisions about treatment. Conclusion: advancements in the field of dental technology have dramatically increased the patient experience in the past few times. From 3D printers and digital impressions technology, advances in dental technology make dental treatment speedier, more precise, as well as more relaxing for patients. Through the use of these advanced technologies, dentists are able to provide superior outcomes for patients as well as provide a comfortable experience in the dental office in general.